In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a button using Google Sites. Whether you're building a website for personal use, your business, or a special project, knowing how to add interactive elements like buttons can greatly enhance the user experience. Let's start with the basics. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sites. If you're unfamiliar with this platform, Google Sites is an intuitive and user-friendly tool that allows you to build beautiful websites without needing any coding skills. Once you've landed on the Google Sites main page, either select an existing project or start a new one. Next, direct your attention to the menu on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a series of tabs. You want to click on the Insert tab. This area contains several block elements you can add to your site, such as text, images, and more. For our task today, we'll focus on adding a button. Scroll through these options until you see an element labeled Button. Click on it, and a prompt will appear asking you to input the button's name and the URL you want the button to link to. Think carefully about the name you choose. It should be concise and descriptive, making it clear what will happen when someone clicks on it. For instance, names like Learn More or Contact Us tend to perform well. After naming your button and adding the link, it's time to customize the appearance. Select the button once you've added it to your page. You'll notice options to style it as filled, outlined, or just as plain text. A filled button can often capture your user's attention as it's more visually prominent, whereas an outlined button might serve as a subtle addition to a text-heavy section. Choose a style that aligns well with your website's overall theme and aesthetic. Alignment is another crucial aspect to consider. A well-aligned button integrates seamlessly with your site's layout, enhancing the visual flow and making it easier for users to engage with. Decide if you want your button to be aligned left, right, or centered depending on its context within the page. And just like that, you're done. By integrating a simple element like a button, you've improved the functionality and aesthetics of your site, making it easier for visitors to navigate and interact with your content. I hope this guide has given you more confidence to explore and create within Google Sites. It's an invaluable tool for anyone looking to create a professional-looking website with minimal effort. Thank you for joining me today, and happy building.